こんにちは。My name is Shiho and welcome to Yomimono Beginner Lesson 1 This, Tense and Plurals. In this lesson, we will learn 5 new kanji, 5 new vocabulary, how to form basic sentences using the word this, past tense and non-past tense, and plurals of nouns in Japanese. To make the most of this lesson, visit our website at yomimono.app for free written explanations, audio examples, interactive practice exercises, and more. If you have any questions or need any help, leave a comment down below or talk to us on Discord. The link is in the description. First of all, we will start with the kanji. For those who don't know what kanjis are, we recommend that you read our Kana Lesson 1, which covers the different Japanese writing systems. But here is a quick refresher anyway. Kanji represent both sound and meaning. Each kanji has onyomi and kunyomi readings. Onyomi readings are of Chinese origin and are usually used when a word contains multiple kanji. Kunyomi readings are of Japanese origin and are usually used when a word contains only one kanji. But there are a lot of exceptions to this rule. This kanji on the screen now means water and has the onyomi reading of sui and the kunyomi reading of mizu. This kanji has 4 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on to next kanji. This kanji means book, origin, or true, and it has the onyomi reading of hon and the kunyomi reading of moto. This kanji has 5 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This next kanji means person and it has the onyomi readings of jin and nin. The kunyomi readings of hito, ri, and to. This kanji has 2 strokes. 1, 2. Let's do it again. 1, 2. This kanji means study and has the onyomi reading of gaku and the kunyomi reading of mana. This kanji has 8 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This kanji means life and birth and has the onyomi readings of sei and shou. The kunyomi readings of mana, I, and u. This kanji has 5 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the last kanji for this lesson. Now let's move on to using these kanji in some vocabulary. The first word we will learn today is terebi. Terebi. This word means TV. This is a loan word from the English word television, and therefore it is written using katakana. The second word is mizu. Mizu. It means water. This word contains one kanji by itself, and like most words which only contain one kanji, it uses the kunyomi reading of that kanji, which in this case is mizu. The third word is hon. Hon, which means book. Just like the previous word 水, this word is also a kanji by itself. Unlike 水, this word uses the onyomi reading of the kanji. Although most words which contain only one kanji use the kunyomi reading, there are a lot of exceptions such as this one, which use a onyomi reading instead. Japanese is full of fun little exceptions like this. The fourth word is hito. Hito. It means person. This word contains one kanji by itself and uses the kunyomi reading of that kanji, which in this case is hito. Our last word is gakusei. Gakusei. It means student. This is the first word we have learned that combines two kanji together. As you can see, gakusei combines two kanji of study and life, which together form the word of student. This word is a great example as to why learning the meaning of kanji can help you understand and remember the meaning of new words. As this word uses two kanji together, it uses the onyomi readings of those kanji. Now let's learn how to use these new words by combining them with another word, this. Take a look at the following sentences. What do they have in common? テレビです。学生です。水です。人です。The general structure of all of these sentences is the same. X is Y. We can form this structure in Japanese by using the word this. This is pronounced as this rather than desu. In the Japanese sentences, you will notice that there is no subject or topic. This, the, I, or you. This is because in Japanese, the subject or topic of a sentence is often omitted when it is implied through context. In English, the verb to be changes forms between am, is, or are, depending on the subject of the sentence. However, in Japanese, it is always this, regardless of the subject of the sentence. To be also changes forms depending on the tense of the sentence, such as was, is, or will be. And as you can guess, this is also different in Japanese. In English, we have past, present, future tense forms of the verb to be, whereas in Japanese, there is only past and non-past forms of this verb. The grammar point this is the non-past form, which is used to express present and future events. We will learn the past tense form of this in beginner lesson 3. Future lessons refer to this concept a lot, so it is important to start thinking about it now, even if you can't do much with this information yet. Another important concept to learn early is singular and plural nouns. Japanese nouns do not have the concept of singular or plural the same way that English nouns do. The English sentence, that is a book, explicitly refers to a singular book. If we wanted to refer to multiple books, we would say, those are some books. In Japanese, these two sentences can be written the same way. 本です. This sentence refers to an ambiguous amount of books, either one or more depending on the context. You are still able to refer to a specific amount of books, but this concept is covered in a later lesson. In this lesson, we learned 5 new kanji, water, book, person, study, and life. 5 new words, テレビ, 水, 本, 人, and 学生. We learned how to form basic sentences using this, the different types of tense for the verb to be in Japanese and how it differs to English, and the concept of singular and plural nouns in Japanese. In the next lesson, we will learn about Japanese particles, the subjects and topics of sentences, and how to explicitly state the topic of a sentence using the wa particle. Thank you for watching. If you want to make the most of this lesson, visit our website at yomimono.app for free written explanations, audio examples, interactive practice exercises, and more. If you have any questions or need any help, leave a comment down below or talk to us on Discord. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more lessons in the future. I'll see you next time. またね。バイ。